Thank you to our Dutch customers for purchasing 200 GOB modules from us. This GOB LED display module, also known as glue-on-board LED screen module, has excellent protection performance and is particularly suitable for outdoor and high-demand environments. It adopts ultra-high moisture-proof, waterproof, and anti-collision functions, which can effectively protect the LED lamp beads and ensure the stable operation of the module in bad weather and complex environments. GOB technology enhances the durability and damage resistance of the module by directly coating the glue layer on the LED module, avoiding the possible failure of traditional LED modules during transportation, installation, and use. This makes the GOB module very suitable for occasions such as advertising display, stage background, and large-scale events.